Hey Planty friends, welcome back to another new video. If you're new, hi, welcome to this Planty channel. We do a lot of plant shopping here, a lot of Planty content. So if you enjoy that, consider joining us by tapping the subscribe button down below. Also, like, I just sprayed freshly neem oil in all of my houseplants except my boyfriend's because he didn't want any neem oil collection. I'm getting a little bit dizzy. I did dilute it. I followed the instructions. But yeah, as you guys can see by the start of this video, I'm gonna give you guys a houseplant update on how all of my plants are doing, which there's some really fun things that are happening right now. And yeah, so there's not much into this. I just find these videos really exciting and fun, as well documenting the progress of these girlies and guys, or just gorgeous, I mean, my babies, just my babies. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Sorry, it's like so awkward. I'm just like getting a little bit. Ooh. Alrighty, so here is the planter room. You can see a little bit of neem oil. Yes, it is kind of, some might say like it's nasty that I sprayed neem oil like on the table and some onto the carpet, but I try to spray neem oil once a month in my entire plant collection because when you have this many plants, and this is not even all of them, I have a bunch more in the living room because the living room has been getting some really good light. Also, this one had mealybugs, my Hoya that was hanging in the living room. And I sprayed a lot of neem oil on this. I love how like the leaves look super duper shiny. I noticed that Captain Jack's this one on my plants. Personally, okay, if it changes I'll let you guys know. But I have noticed that this has really saved a lot of my plants from spider mites. This is one of the plants that I just keep spraying on it. Trust me, it was really bad. It was insanely infested. And after spraying that like multiple times, you can barely see, you can see a lot of the damage, 1000%. You can see like a few spider mites because I hadn't been spraying it for like 3 to 4 days, but before that, I was spraying a lot of it. And I just got my second bottle. It literally saved this plant. This one was also getting spider mites and it saved it as well. I don't see that many spider mites on this. I know there's a lot of other ways to like get rid of spider mites, but personally, I like that because it's like easily accessible and it's super duper easy and it doesn't stink like neem oil. Here's the other plant that it saved. This beautiful plant. I had a quarantine because like, you know, she was really infested. But if you look at the back of the leaves, you don't really see a lot of those white, ugly spider mites. I'm super duper proud. Like, I was just about to die and I was just so scared. But yeah, I haven't seen a little bit of neem oil. And I also just recently sprayed a little bit of neem oil on it, just as like preventative. You know, just in case. But I'm just so happy because like this is my third time having this plant, and every time I have it, it just gets infested with mealybugs or spider mites and it just dies. It dies. It's so sad. But this one has been with me for a long time. Okay, so I'm doing something. I'm just so paranoid that it's gonna get something, but I just spray neem oil and I'm always spraying Captain Jack's on this girly. But yes, I love Captain Jack's because like it doesn't smell at all and it's really easy, nor is it sticky. So yes, here are some plants that I'm currently bottom watering. My peace lily that is always thirsty. She has her own saucer, but she's always just thirsty. So she might need to get repotted pretty soon. It's crazy because she just got repotted a couple months back from a 4-inch pot to like a 6-inch pot. But I guess she needs to get repotted again. She is blooming, as y'all can see the little wilty flower because she was thirsty. And she's been putting out these gorgeous new leaves, leaf after leaf, because I have been placing her in like my fancy table. I say that because it has a fancy, really good light. With my tag constellation, it's putting out a new leaf. So I'm super duper excited about that. So I got a Scindapsus over here that had mealybugs. I was spraying it with Captain Jack's, but it doesn't really do anything. I noticed that Captain Jack's is more for spider mites, and neem oil is really good with mealybugs. So yes, she was also thirsty, so I bottom water her. Also my bird of paradise, my bird's nest fern. I always get this confused. Beautiful Traded Skin we got from Plantarina. And by the way, that plant was not a painted lady, even though I paid and it was advertised and I was supposed to get a painted lady. It's the other one, something like that, like gold, Quactis gold, something like that. I sent her an email. She hasn't responded. I sent her a DM as well. No response from the team or whatever, like the company. But I know they're really busy. So I'll just like wait a week. Even that, I think she's really cute. I did want the painted lady, but she looks very similar to it. Thank you so much for everybody that was correcting me and wasn't like bashing me. I was like, you guys, I don't know, no sabia. And then somebody was super duper sweet and she sent me like more information on like actual pictures, and I started getting curious and I started looking into it, and yeah, this is not a painted lady. Usually the painted lady has like red petitoes. Like you can see a little bit of red. This is just purely green. Even then, she is gorgeous, and I do love her. So love that. Here's a little begonia that my boyfriend gave me. I love it so much. Scandapsus that I'm currently propagating. This one, y'all see this? Like, I'm literally so happy. I don't want to move it too much because like it's just gonna drip with neem oil, and also it's the pain's about to get in the back. But this guy, this is on you. This leaf, this leaf, this leaf, and it's putting out a new one, as you guys can see. It was only those two leaves. This plant and also this one, they came in dead from shipping, as a lot of other plants as well. But as y'all see, this putting out new leaves. Can y'all see that? Oh my god, I am so excited. So excited. Super duper happy. I'm propagating some Cebu Blues because I want to place them in my moss poles. Here are the moss poles. I'm always just spraying them constantly. I also just sprayed them with neem oil. Here's my dragon tail, which I don't even care that much. Like, I'm not making this super moist because this is gonna take a while for it to grow. But there's another leaf coming in. Super duper fun. Here's my Addisonii. The company that sent this to me, they said it was a some sort of obliqua, like from the family, something like that. It looks like an Addisonii to me, like literally just a Swiss cheese plant like this one. But they said like it was done by tissue culture, so it's a very immature plant. So I'm giving it something to climb, so hopefully it can develop more of those iconic illustrations. But I don't know. And then we have my Syngonium batik. Oh, someone's card went off. Super duper pretty. I just posted some pictures about her on Instagram. Love her. Here's my Skeletiki, which is doing pretty good. What's going on? Then the beautiful, I think this is called the Hoya Princess. Hoya Canersa Princess. Because the white variegations is on the inside, when it's on the outside, it's called the Queen. Then I have my Shingles plants over here that I also just finished placing on a moss pole. I want it to climb up. Super duper excited. Here's my Anthurium. I think red stem Anthurium. It just finished putting out this new leaf. Gorgeous. And over here we have some goodies. Here's a amaryllis bulb. Just finished repotting it a while back. Wait, is it putting on a bloom or is it just like, that looks really chunky. Do y'all see that? Maybe it's like, I don't know. Here's my boyfriend's begonia. He wanted it to like get some more TLC, so I went to some good lights over here. We have my Monstera Peru, a green galaxy plant that honestly it seems like it needs water. It's so wilted. I'm gonna give it some water in a bit. My Hoya compacta, Berlemax variegated philodendron. It was reverting back and I chopped it, but it still put out these leaves. But if you look closely, you can see a little bit of variegation, and then over here as well. So I'm hoping that it's gonna just continue doing its thing. There's still some other parts on the plant that has this, you know, beautiful variegation. Like, look at this. This is new. Gorgeous. My Tiniki just put out this new leaf. This one was so bad, but it just put out this new one. It looks really, really good. Begonia Maculata doing good as well. And some other goodies in there. We have this one, which is new. This guy's always thirsty, to be honest. It's a new one. I got it from Amazon. It's from the Trendy Topicals collection by Coastal Farm. It put out this new leaf. It was like this. It was starting to unfurl when I got it from the shipment. So I'm guessing this is from the shipping. But yeah, welcome to the family, you guys. Here is a tie. Oh, it's tie constellation. And here's a new leaf that's coming in. Super duper excited. My Instrumentis. This isn't a complete houseplant tour. It's like, I don't know, I feel like houseplant updates give me like houseplant tour vibes. But I'm not going to like each specific plant, like those on the houseplant tours, but on houseplant updates, I just give you guys some exciting news. Oh, my asparagus fern is literally putting out so much. Like, this is still fresh. And I just put out this new entire thing, that entire thing, which is really close to the fan. It's not hitting it, but I'm gonna move it para allá tomorrow because it's pretty late now. But she's doing so good. My Cebu Blue, cutie but cutie. Beautiful new twister lipstick plants. The coniferous plant is still alive for now. Here are all the other fun stuff para acá abajo. All the new Hoyas, I still haven't watered them. So pretty soon I am gonna go and give them a good top watering. the succulents, Monjula Potos, Maranta, Brazil that we did by Propagations. If you go all the way back, you can see the video when it was a little baby, a bunch of little cuttings. I have another one, this one, and the one over there. Which, do y'all see how much it's putting out? I'm so excited. Peace Lily. This is my boyfriend. The begonia that he gave me was a little baby. Now it's doing so good. Like, it's doing so good. I am so happy because I usually kill begonias. And then my orchid, Vanda orchids. There's like a bunch of over here. I think that's algae, I'm pretty sure, but look at that. It's doing so good. Here are those succulents. And at the very top, I'm currently propagating my variegated heartleaf philodendron. But yeah, I'm always opening this and checking it. If I see mold, I leave it open. I left it open last night. It was pretty good. So that's good. Here's the Hoyas. Here's the mother plant of the variegated heartleaf philodendron. The thing that I love about chopping and propagating is it makes the plant even more bushier. So it's gonna get even more bushy. Ooh, my delivery's here. I'm so hungry, started ordering Subway. Subway's so good. Boo, that's the food. Can you get it? Thank you, Boo. And then over here, the Nanook Chorescentii, looking so good. It was looking so bad, but now it's starting to do better. And oh, okay, I was confused. I'm pretty sure it's Taparizo Verde. I always call it Jose Bueno, but I don't think it's a Jose Bueno. It just put out this new leaf, and here's one of its new recent leaves. I'm pretty sure it's Taparizo Verde. I always get confused because it looks so similar. Oh my god, I love this marble green potos. Looks so freaking good. And that's basically on the plenty room. Oh, there's a Chorescentii that I got. I just finished watering it this morning. So excited for that. And then let me go take you guys to the living room. That's our boo. My boo. I said our. Oh my god. Hey, sweetie. And here's the living room. It's kind of dark. Let me turn on the light for y'all. So like I said, I also sprayed all of my plants over here as well. I try to be careful when I get it to the sofa, worst case scenario, I can just wash it. But yes, tomorrow and the following day, the windows are going to be open. I gotta put my wall plugs on max and just get some fresh air in here. I know it's kind of nasty, but like, I mean, you guys, I gotta do what I gotta do to like save my plants. When you have this many plants, you just gotta do what you gotta do. People usually have, yo, one of those lights is like orange. Ew, I think it's getting old. But what was I gonna say? I got confused. Here's my bird of paradise. It also had like a few mealybugs. I caught it on time, and now it should kill them. It's also putting out a new leaf, and I just love how shiny it looks. This is new. I think it's called Chinese Evergreen Silver Goldens. It's not like the Silver Bay, but I think it has golden on it. But I got it for $15. It was $30, 50% off, so $15. I love it so freaking much. It looks so freaking good. Oh, these snake plants are also new. I think it's called Gold Flame. Got it for $10 at HEB. They had so many. And then I went to my other HEB and they had so many as well. So I got two. Love it. Here's Valentino. Hey, baby. Mi amor. I just recently ordered him a massive cat tower. Super excited for that. I think he's gonna love it. Because the one he got, like, it's really, really messed up. I just got this as well. It's another, what do you call it? I was so confused. I'm just thinking about the food right now. I can't even focus on the plant names. It's the Global Green Potos. I just love you guys so much. Here's my first one. I just had it for a month and it's doing so good. Also, showing my boyfriend this. It has like a heart. Do y'all see that? It kind of looks like a heart. That's so cute. But I love it. Yes, my love. Yes, baby. Yes. He just wants cuddles all the freaking time. Which is why I love you, my baby. Chiflao. This is the new Hoya. And people were asking me about the name. Here's the name, because I don't even know. That. Hoya DS70, like what? Here is Illuminate Philodendron. She's doing so good as well. I love her so much. My Scandapsis exotica is still alive, surprisingly. Super duper happy about that. Another Illuminate Philodendron, beautiful golden potos. I try to organize my plants by their lighting conditions. So these are pretty like low light tolerant, except this one, but we get a lot of direct light over here, so This gets bright in direct light, like for 3 or 4 hours, so that's fine. Golden potos, they can tolerate all light conditions, just like this one as well. Ay, mi amor. This guy. You want a treat? That's literally all he wants. He has food, but he just wants pura treats. Don't give him too much because he might get fat. He's gonna start rolling down. I just placed a Cebu Blue over here as well. Love her. Another beautiful Hoya Wayeti. My iconic old Brazil and my, not old, but like I guess you can say wise, experienced neon potos. Love him so much. I got another Brazil a while back. I think it was like 3 or 4 months ago, but here it is. This is one of my favorite leaves. I think it looks so pretty. It's mixed with a lemon philodendron. Like, do y'all see this? So it's a little bit interesting. It also has some green hardy philodendrons. Maybe I just rewrote it back. I'm not that sure, but yeah, so that's pretty interesting. Here's my potos Jessena. There's a name tag. Where is it? Great. It's this beautiful home decor. I'm pretty sure it's Hoya. Potos Jessena. Super excited. And then you can easily get us. You're so sweet. Then I guess I'll just like wrap it up then. I just want to show you guys something really quickly. Here are some plants as well. Do you like this? I got it. Well, the containers are from IKEA. The candy's from Sam's. This is from Sam's as well. I always wanted something like really cute and like Valentine's Day because I'm gonna make a Valentine's party for my family, and I think this looks super cute, very minimalist but like neutral. I'm just kidding. I just think it's cute. And another that baby breath, that's what it's called, the flower. Baby's breath lasts pretty long, so that's pretty good. But here we have a Song of India prayer plant. This is some propagations that I had, and it's starting to root. Super duper excited. And I'm gonna show you guys this really quickly before I end the video. I just got a coffee plant. I just thought I needed a coffee plant because my coffee machine is like literally right over here. I was like, what? So I got it from HEB, propagating some pink splash syngonium, so I can use it for the moss poles. I got 3 plants in here. And then I have this beautiful philodendron violin. That was a top cutting and I was putting out a new leaf. There's just some damage because like it was next to the coffee machine and I didn't notice and it burned the leaf, but it's fine. It's still pushing through. And then the beautiful Maranta that honestly was doing super duper bad until this company sent me these grow lights. And it's just, as y'all see, it looks a lot more fuller, which is exciting. I also spread this very carefully, not to get some of my other things, a little bit of neem oil, just as a preventative. And also it makes the plants look super duper shiny. And then lastly but not least, my beautiful lemon philodendron that is thriving in this spot. One of my favorite leaves. It's doing so good in here, like so good. I want to get some plants and place them on top and then set up some grow lights. That's just why I'm a little bit scared. I'm gonna set up some grow lights. I don't want to put a bunch of wires going up, so I'm hoping that some water just splash. But yes, I want to place some like maybe golden potos. I can place a bunch of golden potos over here and they'll do okay. But I don't know, y'all know me, like if I'm gonna put like a plant in the corner, it needs to have light. So, and if I place grow lights in here, that means I can put whatever I want in here. So, maybe in the spring, I'll consider it, like do something about that. ¿Qué pasó, mi amor? I love this decor. Both of these are from Walmart, and this entire thing, my mom gave it to me, so love her so much. And these smaller, I'm almost done. And then this small hearts are from Dollar Tree. But I like it because like I placed the big ones close so people can't really tell, and the small ones, but yeah, a little illusion. So that is basically it for today. I was kind of like a little bit, it was still a pretty long video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please go to big thumbs up, so let me know. I want to know what you want to say. I'm gonna make it on my Instagram like for reals. Like he's just so freaking cute. And that's basically it. Sending positive vibes to each and every single one of you guys, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.